Cooking Easy Dinner. Let's get this one going. I generally do meal prep for all my meals during the week. When I need to cook, it's going to be nice and easy, high energy, high protein. So we're going to be cooking some rice, cocoa with some pistachio for supper. The supper, high energy, like I said, high testosterone. You know, you never out-train a she diet, so this one is a good supper for you. So get your rice cooker ready. Make sure you wash your rice before. For the coconut, as you all know, so always go 2-4-1. So get about 2 cups of coconut milk, and then we're going to be adding another cup of water on top of that, and that's going to give me 1.5 cup of rice. So that is quite a bit of rice, but I'm going to have enough for lunch for the next day. I'm going to get my pistachio all crushed up. Make sure I get them in small pieces so I can taste more of them. Once I'm happy with the size of the pistachio, I'll be able to put those aside and then get some of my cooking ready. For the beans themselves, you can use a couple of types of beans. I like to use chickpeas for this one. Chickpeas work fine for the ingredients. So what we're looking at is basically some celery. We're looking at some chickpeas, obviously, a bit of garlic, and then for this case, I'm going to use coconut oil to cook my chickpeas, and then I'm going to get those going. I'm using red onions. You could have used green onions. That's all good. I'm doing a full onion because that's what I like to do. I'm going to keep my pistachio for a bit later. And same thing with the parsley. You could add the parsley. I'll show you something at the end of this too that you can do. And we get that all ready and cooked. And I'll show you a small trick at the very end just to that you can change the taste a bit. So this one, as I'm using my barbecue, one of my barbecue rub. I have a few on the channel if you guys like those. A few examples. So when you dress this up, very simple. You get your coconut rice done. Add your chickpeas on top and all your mix, and then basically you have your plate ready to serve. As you can see, this is a large portion. I'm looking at having three lunch for sure with this one, and then you can add your parsley right there at the end. If you want, like if you're not looking for a lunch the next day, what you could do is just while you're cooking, very last thing you do is add your parsley. Remember, if you add your parsley too early when you're cooking, then it won't taste like nothing. Alright, thanks.